Hi, my name's Professor Bennett. I'm Chair and Professor of Music Engineering at the University of Miami's Frost School of Music. If you've ever been curious about how music is captured, shaped, and delivered to listeners around the world, from the studio to your headphones, our Bachelor of Science in Music Engineering Technology program might be the perfect fit for you. Our program was first in the U.S. to offer a 4-year undergraduate degree in music engineering, and today it remains one of the most prestigious programs of its kind, blending music, science, and technology in a uniquely interdisciplinary environment. Our students don't just study music, they master it. From the start, you'll be immersed in hands-on studio courses and live recording projects, and you'll gain a deep understanding of signal processing, audio electronics, mixing, room acoustics, and audio programming, all while continuing to grow as a performer in jazz, classical, or contemporary genres. Our program includes courses in music, computer science, electrical engineering, and mathematics. You'll also take engineering courses in topics like circuit theory, digital systems, programming, or artificial intelligence, depending on whether you pursue a minor in electrical or computer engineering. And the result? You'll graduate with expertise in these core areas: music performance, music engineering, and hardware or software engineering. A powerful combination that sets you apart in today's music and audio industries. Our graduates have a very high rate of placement in the professional and consumer audio industries. Many occupy prestigious positions and have achieved great success in their work. Our graduates have recorded RIAA certified gold and platinum records, as well as Grammy award-winning albums, and even mixed the soundtrack of Oscar-winning motion pictures, while others develop leading technologies at companies like Apple, Bose, Shure, Dolby, and many others. And what better location to do this than Miami? Our city's teeming with opportunities for those in entertainment, music, and tech industries. Now, whether you want to work in music production, software and hardware design, acoustics, broadcasting, in the studio, or as a DIY engineer, this program opens the door. If you're ready to combine your passion for music with the power of technology, I'd love to welcome you into the music engineering program at Frost. And don't forget, it's all about the you.